Okay, children. So, what is our eighth lesson? Service activities in India. So, here, children, before starting the lesson, I want to tell introduction. Actually, what we are going to discuss in this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about basically how many sectors are there: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. So, these three sectors are taking into the consideration. Your primary will be what are the things will be coming under the primary sector? Farming, pouring and fishing. These are all the activities will be coming under the primary sector. So what will be coming under the secondary sector? Secondary sector, whatever output, that is mean to say that industries, factories, low scale and large scale industries, factories, everything will be coming under the secondary sector. So your first sector is what? Again I am explaining. Primary sector will be consist of farming, pouring and fishing. Coming to the secondary sector consists of industries, factories, either it may be large scale industry or small scale industries. These are all things will be coming under the secondary sector. Coming to the tertiary sector. What is the tertiary sector? Like banking, medical, transportation. These are all the services will be coming under the service sector. So three sectors are there. Children clearly have to remember, because in the 10th class also we will be having the clearly about this service sector. So primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Primary sector is giving importance for what, children? Farming, curing and fishing. Secondary sector will be industries and factories, either it may be large scale industries or small scale industries. Coming to the service sector, what are the things like banking, medical, transportation, postal, whatever department, hospital, everything will be coming under the treasury sector. Now if you see primary sector, how much 70% of people are engaged. In the secondary sector, how much people are engaged? Only 8 to 10%. In the tertiary sector, how many people are engaged? Only 10 to 12%. Children, by seeing this percentage, what you are understanding? By this, your agriculture sector only making the what? Agriculture people will be constituting mainly 70% will be coming under the primary. Coming to the secondary, that is industries and factory, only few people are working under the industries and factory. Only it is constituting about how much percentage? 8 to 10%. Coming to the treasury is nothing but service sector. Just to explain, like banking, hospitals, telecommunication, postal departments. These are all coming under the treasury sector. They are getting only how many people are engaged in this service sector? 10 to 12%. Now you see, what is a service activity? Question they are asking. What are the things? Just I told primary, secondary we discussed, industries are all we discussed. Treasury, actually what is the meaning of service activity? What is the meaning of service activity? Now you see doctor. Now you see, children, one example they are given in your textbook. If you go through the textbook page number 96, you will be having the clear idea. Yes, Sarojini Devi is a doctor. So what is her main responsibility? What is her duty? She has to examine her patients. Isn't it, children? What is her duty? She has to examine her patients. So she is nothing to do with what? Either commodities or production and distribution is not at all involved for the doctor, because doctor's responsibility and what is the duty of the doctor? They have to serve the patients. This is the main intention. So doctor will also coming under the service sector. Now here coming to the Saundarya. Now Saundarya is what? It is also constitute what? It is also constitute service sector. But what Saundarya is doing? She is selling the grocery. So sometimes what happen after doing her household work, all the domestication work, after doing everything at home, she will be sitting at grocery shop. So sometimes what happen? The prices may be increased and the prices may be decreased. This will be affecting the shop. As a trader, she is providing a service or doing the work of providing the product to the consumers. It is also like a service. Here in the first example, what we discussed, Sarojini is a doctor. She is also serving the people. What she is doing? She is serving the patient. She is also coming under the service. Saundarya will also constitute, will be coming under the service, because she is selling the products customers. Even though she will be getting the profit, but she is doing the some type of service as a selling the vegetables or groceries, okay, etc. etc. Now that all things will be coming under the service sector. Ramesh. Now Ramesh is what? He is a bank accountant. So he will. What is his main duty? He has to see the receipts and payments, whether the both the things are tallying or not. As an accountant, his responsibility to go through the accounts. Just now I explained in the cost of a family budget what we have discussed, expenditure and income. Same like here, Ramesh is also accountant. He has to see what are the receipts and expenditures of the company. His responsibility is to audit the accounts of the company. So he is not at all related to the goods or services when you compare with the Saundarya. So here Ramesh is also coming under the service sector because he is doing this some type of work. Work is also known as what, children? Some type of service he is doing for the company as a accountant. Sampath. Who is Sampath? Sampath is a van. What is that? Van driver. Daily what is his duty? He has to pick the children and drop the children from the picking point. Isn't it, children? So he will be going to the fish market and he will be traveling to their locality. Not only that, after selling the fishes, he have to collect the payment. Isn't it, children? Whenever he is selling the fish, he has to collect the money from the people to whom he has sold the fish. So his duty in the van, he will be going and by evening he will be collecting the prices. He will be collecting the money whatever he has sold in the market. So this is about the different sector, children. See, please go through this all the topics because in the 10th class we will be having the deep full clearly we are discussing about the 3 types of sectors. Now coming to the next page, children, page number 97. There are the 8 categories will be coming under the service sectors below. So some details are filled in, others have been left blank. Fill in the blank one after discussion with your teacher. Here, children, first point, education. What is education? Here we are the teachers, we are explaining you. Isn't it? We are also coming under the service because even though they will be paying the salary, but we are also coming under the category of what, children? Service sector. So education means what? Schools, colleges, university, technical institution such as teachers and administrative staff will be required for all the activities. Who are required for running the colleges and schools? All the administrative staff is and teachers are also required for doing for starting the institutions. Here this will be coming under the education. I told schools, colleges, institutions, big institutions will be coming under what sector? They are all coming under the service sector. So what is our next point? Health and medical services. What is the health and medical services? Here, health and medical services, doctors will be serving the people. Who will be serving us? The doctors will be serving the patients. And medical services, the medical shops will also doing some types of services that they will be selling the medicines to the needy people. So what is the trade? Trade is nothing but a variety of buying the goods and a variety of buying and selling activities. Both will be coming as wholesale and retail, that whatever we are seeing around. So here next one, public administration officers. Who will be coming under the public administration officers, children? Public services under village and town panchayats. The state and central government will be coming under the public administration in this category. Example, those people who are working in the police stations and police stations and workers of various government departments such as village administrative officers, revenue inspectors, tahsildar, collectors, soldiers, army, navy and soldiers will be coming under the defense. Just example, soldiers. Who are the soldiers? They are in our boundaries. Their duty used to what? They will be protecting our boundaries, like army, navy, soldiers. Soldiers are the main people. They are protecting us from the terrorist peoples, isn't it, children? So your defense activities and people who are involved in the forces like army, navy and air force, they will be coming under the defense. Next, coming to the financial activities. What are the financial activities? Like banking institutions, like those people who will be lending the money, like money lenders, like cooperative societies, every like banks, cooperative societies, self-help group. Next, what we discussed, cooperative banks, these are all will be coming under the financial activities. Next, personal services. Who are the personal services? For example, will be doing the domestic work. For example, some people will be doing what they will be doing, laundry, cleaning, provide services like dyeing, like hairdressing, beauty parlor, and run tailoring shops, photo and video studio. These are all also some type of service activities, isn't it, children? Generally, the hair salons, the beauty parlor, and what are things we discussed? Photo and video studios, dyeing and hairdressing. These are all they will be coming under the beauty parlor. They are also doing some sort of service for the people. So these are also will be coming under the category of the service sector. That is a personal, isn't it, children? Now coming to the next page number, if you open page number 98, children, by seeing the picture here, if you see, children, importance of the service sector and some challenges. Next point, changes in the technology and export of services. Here they tend to spend more on service oriented activities, such as people are interested to spending the money on education, entertainment, eating out and tourism. Let us examine some of the factors responsible for increase in the importance of the service sector in the recent times. Children, just know what I explained here in the service sector. Who will be coming under the service sector? Just now we have discussed. Generally, more of the families, weekend they want to enjoy. They want to entertain their family. How they will be entertaining themselves and their family? Here every weekend some people, they will be working weekly 5 days, like from Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday they will be having the weekend off, and on that time, particular time, generally the people are intention to spend their leisure time for the entertaining. For example, going to the tourist spots or watching the movie in the theaters or public parks. So whatever, whichever they feel more leisure, relaxation from them, they will be spending their time with their family. So nowadays, most of the important they are giving to the which sector, children? Service. So generally, most of the importance and more benefit the government is getting from the what? From the service sector like banking, transportation, telecommunication, postal. From this only the government is getting the main source of income, like electricity bill, water bill, income tax. These are all what, children? These are all the bills they are collecting from the people. This is some sort of income they are getting to the government from the people. Next, you see one more example, children. Changes in the technology and exports of services. Here this is the call center. You see, children, in the 8th standard already we have read about the communication and technology. So here if you see, this is a picture, figure 8.1, the people who are working in the call center. Generally the people who are working in the call centers, they will be not having the proper time to spend with their family. Why? Because generally they will be dealing at the night time. They have to attend the calls at night time. Their time will be different. Those people who are working in the MNCs companies. Already I have explained in the 8th class what is the MNCs companies. MNC is nothing but multinational companies. Their work will be different because they will be dealing with the outsiders. So their work will be totally different, and it will also very complicated and very hard, tough task for the people, those who will be sitting at night and doing the night work. Really it is a very odd work. Generally it is a very hard work for them, but even though they are working and they are getting the more payment, isn't it? You see this para, children, here. many information technology companies where they are establishing in the metropolitan cities, employ high skilled engineers that provide specialized software services to companies all over the world. So what happens, children, all over the world? MNC means multinational, internationally dealing. So what happens generally that these MNC companies, generally they will be appoint the people, those who are skilled. Now we have two things I have to explain before explaining the skilled. What is a skilled and what is a unskilled? Those people who are having the more knowledge and more experience on that particular specialization subject, they will be coming under the skilled. Who are the unskilled? Those people who does not having any experience in that field, they are known as the unskilled. Means that is mean to say that they does not having that much knowledge on that particular thing. So here skilled, generally the people will be searching generally the MNC companies will be preferring the skilled, means those people having the more knowledge on the subject, more knowledge on their work. Generally they are appointing that people as a employees in their MNCs. So here one example they are given here, children. One para I am studying reading here, page number 99. One example they are given here. I am Sarla, working as a specialized software engineer. For how many years she is working? Since last 3 years she was working. Her company is having how many employees? 120 employees on its payroll, and as a sales figure about 50 crores. How many crores they are selling in their company? 50 crores they are selling. 50 crores they are having the sales figure. So four friends started and company together. How many years ago? Four friends have started this business 4 years ago. So many of our colleagues means what the colleagues? Those will be working along with you. They are known as the colleagues. Regularly they will be go abroad for providing the various support services and consultancies. I am paid a good salary but also expected to work very long hours. Generally the people will be going abroad, they will be acquiring the knowledge, and again they are coming back to India and they are starting the businesses. Generally when you compare with our India, abroad they will be getting the latest technological knowledge. They are going abroad and they are learning those all things, and they are coming back to India and they are starting their own business, or they are working in the big multinational companies. Here Sarla, just now I told that Sarla is also getting the good salary, but she has to work the more and more hours. Generally children, here more salary means more stress. More stress means what? More tired you will be getting. Whenever there is a more salary, compulsory you have to work. Working hours will be more, and it will be very tough for you to do the more working hours. Shifting from service activities to other. So for health pension nowadays, in order to reduce the cost and avoid paying additionally for health, pension and provident fund benefits to workers. A large number of industries outsource security services to security agencies. Many manufacturing companies also outsource research and development, accounting, legal services, customer service, public relations, etc. work to other service provides. So nowadays they shifting from service sector to what? They are going to the other. Just now I read the paragraph. You read this paragraph. If you are not able to understand, if you come, I will explain this. Children, what is the outsource? What they are telling, outsource security services to security agencies. Many manufacturing companies also outsource researching, and they are developing what? They are developing the accounting, legal services, customer service, public relations, etc. This will be work to other service provide. Just now what we discussed, children, importance of service sector and some challenges. Like entertainment, they are spending, eating, I told. Changing in technology and exports of services means just now I given the example of the Sarla, because she is working for MNC, that multinational company. And here shifting from service activities to other. Instead of going to service activities, they started working in other activities like development in the accounting, legal services, customer services, public relations, etc. Work to other service provides. Employment in low income service sector. So here children, generally those people who are getting the employment in the urban areas, they will be getting the more salary. If you compare to the rural areas, first of all, they does not having any job security, isn't it, children? If you go to the urban areas, the developed areas, cities and towns will be coming under the urban areas. Generally, if you are not getting job in the villages or in the rural areas, so automatically obviously what people will do, they will be moving from villages to cities. Where the people are moving, they are moving to cities and towns or to urban areas, so that they will be able to get the more income when you compare in the villages. Employment, low income service sector. So here one example they are given here. I am a Asim. Take page number 100. I am an Asim. I came to Delhi how many years ago? More than 10 years ago. He started playing what? Auto rickshaw at a roadside at night. So every evening he have to pay some rent to the owner, because auto rickshaw, Asim auto rickshaw is not his own. So he has taken from the owner. At the end of the day, he has to pay some amount to the owner of the auto rickshaw. So here my earnings from rickshaw cycle are not regular. Sometimes we will be getting the 250 and sometimes we will be getting the 100 to 150 rupees. There is a not guarantee that daily we will be getting the 250. According to the people we will be getting. These days there is a more competition and number of new cycles are increased in our area. That is the reason I am not able to apply the more people to take, because all the people are more rickshaw people are there on my street. I am not able to get the same amount as how I used to get earlier. So this is about the story about the Asim. Next, stress in jobs in the information technology. Already you know that, children, you will be having the more stress whenever you are working for big MNCs, multinational companies. The work will be more and stress will be more, and we will be getting the more salary. Always the salaries will be depending upon the stress, workload. More workload will be there for people who are working under the MNCs. So desired service today. In recent time there has been some debate and expansion of service activities that we need to understand. Now read the two case studies and answer the questions that follow. Here case study 1, they are given foreign direct investment in retail sector. Next case study what they are given, India faces an acute shortage of skilled human resources in the health sector, say a recent report. By seeing the first case study, what they are telling, children, foreign direct investment in retail sector. 20 to 40% of agriculture goods are wasted due to the lack of proper storage facilities. Here why? Because in our India, most of the rural people, they does not having the cold storage facilities to store their goods. For example, if you take tomatoes or which are perishable. Perishable means what? Which will be spoiling within the 3 or 4 days, like vegetables. Also, here people does not having the cold storage facilities. On that particular time, the farmers are incurring the more losses, even though they are spending the more money on agriculture. In turn, they are getting the less prices for their vegetables or less prices for their products. So the idea the supermarkets will minimize the wastage of farm produce through investment in storage facilities into supervise on two counts. The illegal wastage of farm produce is exaggerated, and big retailers have in fact not invested as much as they were expected to do the storage facilities. Moreover, there will be loss of jobs in traditional smaller retailer. FDI will drive out smaller retailers, resulting in the concentration of the market power in the hands of only very few people. Why? Because generally you think, children, whenever the rich people are there, they will be having the all cold facility, all the cold storage facilities. They are not able to spoil their products whatever they are producing, and they will be selling in the market after keeping in the storage facilities also. But cold storage facility is not possible for the middle class farmers. That is the reason their agriculture producers are spoiling, and they are not able to get the more profits. In turn, they are becoming the indebtedness. What is the indebtedness? That is mean to say that they are becoming the liable to pay to other parties. So you go through this. Now second case study, India faces an acute shortage of skilled human resources in the health sector. Say, according to the recent report, what they are telling, India does not having the skilled labor. We are having the acute shortage of skilled human resources, and health sector is also, according to some reports, say that people will be does not having that much amount to spend for the agriculture or in any business. They are having the less accessibility of spending the money on the business. According to the latest report, what they are telling here, the density of a doctors in India, according to the 2000 level, how many doctors were there? There were 6 for population. How much? For 10,000 only 6 doctors are there. So while that of the nurses and midwives, 13 per 10,000 person. Nurses, how many are there? For 10,000 people only, how many nurses are there? 13 nurses are there for 10,000 persons. India has a doctor to population ratio of what is the ratio of doctors in our India? 0.5. 10,000 comparison of 0.3 in Thailand and 0.4 in Sri Lanka, 1.6 in China and 5.4 in UK and 5.5 in the US. That is mean to say that when you are compared with all the things, our India is having the less when you compare with these all things. Please children, go through this chapter, your keywords, just to look the page number 103, what they are given children, some keywords they are given. Key means what are the things that are covered under the lesson. Call centers means just no MNC I told, explain like Sarala. Service activities like doctors, teachers, outsourcing. Instead of working in the service sector, they started going for other sectors. What I explained in the last, like they are going for many manufacturing companies also outsource. They are researching for what? Development, accounting, legal services, customer service, public relations, etc. Everything will be coming under the outsourcing. What is information technology? Getting the idea about the new product or getting the awareness how to increase in the production, that all will be coming under the information technology. What is economic development? Development of economy in the all the matters, like either it may be primary, secondary or tertiary. It will be constituting, it will be coming under what children? Economic development. Retail trade means how the people are doing. There will be difference between the retail trader and wholesale trader. In the previous class itself I have explained. Retail trader means they will be only selling, they will be selling the piece, they will be selling how much you ask, they will be selling. What is the wholesale? Only wholesale rate will be less and retail rate will be more, because wholesale rate means what? We will be taking the more and more products at a lesser price. But retail trade means what? Only few items we are taking, so that we will be having, we are liable to pay the more money for the retail when you compare with the wholesaler. Children, our lesson is what? Service activities in India. So we completed 8th lesson also. So try to write all the question answers and submit the class work by 24th 12/2020. Children, if you are having any doubts, when you will come here, I will explain children. Okay, please write the class work. Okay children, good afternoon.